This gorgeous home on St. Simons Island, Georgia is packed full of both beautiful features and vistas throughout. As the designer, it's my job to make sure that every inch of the house is gorgeous and inspiring. Here are 3 dreamy details found in this home that you can try in yours. Shiplap is having a moment. This currently popular design detail is actually a timeless architectural feature, and that makes it a sound design choice. I used shiplap walls in the master bathroom. It's a timeless and classic backdrop to the luxurious design in here. Choosing to use shiplap in a bathroom or just doing one accent wall makes it budget friendly as well. Art is a critical part of any design, and choosing art can actually be really complicated, especially for non-designers. One of the biggest headaches is dealing with big, open, empty walls. Here on the large wall in the pool lounge, I used a piece of art that uses common galvanized screws to outline a sand dune and a heron. DIY art projects are a great solution for large walls. The third detail is truly one of my all-time favorite tips. In the pool bathroom, I chose a bright and happy botanical wallpaper. A smaller space like a bathroom is the place to go bold with a print or pattern because it's not too overwhelming and it's easily changed out if needed. This is a great tip, especially if you're thinking about selling your home. If you like any of these looks, my inspiring, dreamy details could become your next design reality.